Put your feelings into hope.
Hope.
Yes.
Hope. Hope.
I can't help my patient as a doctor, but I learn. I can hear people.
And everybody speak in English, but